So today on Cooking on the Fly, we're going to be talking about the health benefits of foods that are blue and purple. So there are very few foods that are naturally blue. I was only able to find two: blueberries and blue corn chips. Blue corn chips have antioxidants and fiber. Blueberries are full of antioxidants, and they help boost your brain power, and they're full of vitamin C. So purple foods are really great for your health. Some of them are rich in antioxidants, and they're great for heart health and gut health. Some of them help cognitive function and help with anxiety and relaxation, bone health and joint connectivity. There are just so many benefits. Some of them offer liver support and help prevent cancer. And some of them even help regulate blood sugar. So I have sweet onion, which is full of sulfur compounds for the immune and detox support. And it has quercetin. Purple potatoes have potassium. Purple carrots have beta carotene, good for eye health. Eggplant helps protect cell membranes and brain cells. Purple cabbage is full of vitamin C and fiber. Plums and grapes are full of resveratrol for heart health. Purple rice helps you get energy. Blackberries are antioxidants, which help the body fight free radicals that cause aging. I have some kombucha here, which I'm going to be trying. It has lavender, which helps with anxiety and relaxation. It also has probiotics, which help rebuild your gut. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour my berries into a bowl. I'm going to cut up my plum. Put some grapes in here. We have a nice fruit salad now. I'm just going to put this in the fridge and I can snack on it all week. Now we're going to cook this according to the box. It says to put 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. I'm going to pour it in the pot. Now I'm going to fill my cup with 2 cups of water. I'm going to pour this in. So I have filled my pot with water, 2 cups of water and 1 cup of purple rice. And I'm going to heat this right now. And then I'm going to simmer it. So next I'm going to chop my vegetables. I think I'm going to cook them kind of like a stir fry today. I'm going to take some butter and put it in my pan, and I'm going to heat this pan up slowly. It's just better for your cast iron skillet. The rice is bubbling now, so it's time to turn down the heat and put the lid on the pan. I'm going to let this go for about 10 minutes. Look at that. Now I'm going to drain the rice. My plate is ready, so I'm going to put some rice here. Now I'm going to take some fruit. Now it's time for the vegetables. I'm going to have extra, so I'm just going to fill these up. And now I have my lunches for the rest of the week. And now I'm going to take the chips and use them as a garnish. Look at that. And I can't forget my drink. And now I'm ready to eat.